Did you know you can create professional sounding music in literally seconds using nothing but AI? I'm talking about complete songs, beats, and even vocals that sound so realistic, you'll question whether they were made by humans or machines. Hey everyone! Today I'm bringing you the ultimate guide to the best AI music generator tools available right now. I've personally tested every single tool I'm about to show you, so you don't have to waste your time figuring out which ones actually work. I'll walk you through exactly how each tool works, show you real examples, and give you the honest pros and cons of each one. Whether you're a content creator looking for background music, an aspiring musician, or just someone who loves experimenting with new technology, this video has something for you. And hey, if you're finding this helpful already, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. Alright, let's dive right into our first tool, SoundRAW. SoundRAW is absolutely perfect if you want complete control over customizing your music without any technical headaches. Here's how it works. You simply choose your genre, set your tempo, pick your duration, and boom, the AI creates a brand new song from scratch. It really couldn't be simpler than that. What I love about SoundRAW is its super clean, easy-to-use interface. You can tweak different elements of your song to match exactly the mood and style you're going for. Want it more upbeat? Adjust the tempo. Need different instruments? You can swap those out too. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the customization options are fantastic. You can easily adjust the mood, instruments, and song duration to get exactly what you need. Plus, it's incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners who've never created music before. However, there are some downsides. Most of the best features are locked behind a paywall, though you can try them with a free trial. Also, this tool doesn't generate vocals, just instrumental beats and tracks that you can customize. Moving on to our second tool, Musicfy. Musicfy offers a really fun and engaging way to create music. It's perfect for people who love experimenting with different sounds and styles. The process is super straightforward. You just describe what kind of track you want to the AI, and it gets the job done in seconds. For example, I told the AI to create an electronic beat, and within moments, I had a completely original track ready to go. The interface is designed to make music creation genuinely enjoyable, not intimidating. Here's what I love about Musicfy. It's incredibly fun to use with an engaging interface that actually makes music creation enjoyable. It's also very simple. You literally just describe to the AI what you want to create. Plus, there's a wide variety of genres and styles to choose from, so you're not limited to just one type of music. On the downside, there's a bit of a learning curve if you want to master all the features. Also, like SoundRAW, this tool doesn't allow you to create vocals. It's instrumental only. Choose Musicfy if you want a playful and experimental approach to music creation. It's great for creators who enjoy the process as much as the final result. Now let's check out our third tool, Newbird. Newbird is an epic AI-powered music generation platform that creates music in real time. I'd honestly say it's the best option if you need background music for content creation. The process is simple. Describe what type of song you want, and the AI takes care of everything else. What makes Newbird special is its real-time generation capability. This tool creates music on the go, making it perfect for video background songs or when you need to sync music with your content. The pros are impressive. Real-time generation means you get music instantly, and the quality is decent for AI-generated content. It's particularly good for background music that won't distract from your main content. However, there are some significant cons. First, there's an annoying Newbird watermark every time you listen to your songs, even though you can create them freely. Second, I noticed that some songs come out lower quality and can sound a bit robotic or inaccurate. And again, no vocals are available. Newbird is your go-to choice if you need dynamic, quick background music for your projects, especially video content. Here's where things get even more interesting. Let's talk about Loudly. Loudly offers an extensive library of music and sounds, making it excellent for creators who need lots of different options for their projects. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. You just choose a genre and generate a track. This literally happens in 1 or 2 seconds. What sets Loudly apart is that on top of quick generation, it also allows you to make customizations to your songs after they're created. So you get the best of both worlds, speed and control. The major advantages are the extensive music library, quick generation times, and the ability to customize your tracks after creation. It's also great for collaboration if you're working with other creators. The main limitation is similar to the previous tools. The focus is primarily on instrumental music rather than vocals. Loudly is perfect for creators looking for a wide variety of songs and collaboration opportunities, especially if you need multiple tracks for different projects. Up next, you'll really want to see this: Boomi AI. Boomi AI is all about quick and easy music generation. With just a few clicks, you can create a full song that sounds genuinely amazing. The process is straightforward. Tell the AI what you want, and it gets the job done. I tested this by generating a warehouse group track, and the results were surprisingly good. The AI understood the style I was going for and delivered accordingly. The biggest advantage of Boomi AI is its simplicity and speed. You can go from idea to finished track in minutes, and the quality is consistently good. The limitations are similar to most tools on this list. It's focused on instrumental music generation rather than full songs with vocals. Boomi AI is excellent if you prioritize speed and simplicity over extensive customization options. And now for the game changer, Suno AI. Suno AI leverages cutting-edge technology to create music that feels both organic and innovative. This tool is fantastic for artists looking to push the boundaries of traditional music creation. Here's what makes Suno AI special. It's the only tool on our entire list that allows you to generate vocals, and these vocals sound incredibly accurate and realistic. You won't believe how human-like they sound. The tool is also the easiest one to use because all you need to do is describe your song and let the AI do all the work. No complicated settings, no technical knowledge required. The pros are incredible. Suno AI creates epic songs that are arguably better than any other tool on this list. The vocal generation is revolutionary and the ease of use is unmatched. However, there's one significant con. You can't customize the songs once they're generated. It's more of a what you get is what you get situation. If you want the most impressive AI-generated music with realistic vocals and don't mind less customization control, Suno AI is absolutely the way to go. So there you have it. 6 incredible AI music generators, each with their own strengths and perfect use cases. Whether you need customizable instrumental tracks, quick background music, or realistic vocal generation, there's a tool here that fits your needs. SoundRAW and Musicfy are perfect for customization lovers. Newbird excels at real-time generation for content creators. Loudly offers variety and collaboration features. Boomi AI prioritizes simplicity and speed. And Suno AI delivers the most impressive overall results with vocal capabilities. I'm curious, which of these tools caught your attention the most? Have you tried any AI music generators before? Let me know in the comments below what your experience has been like. If this video helped you discover some amazing new tools, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.